finally got in, guys.
Yeah.
Finally.
We're sitting down now.
I'm guessing our food's on its way, but it's not here yet. Pa looks ready to kill himself. Yeah, it's not gone as well as I thought it was going to go, is it?
Melissa as well.
Melissa's about ready to eat her own arm. She's so hungry. So, again, guys, it may be a one-off here. I don't know, but it's not the way to handle things. I don't think. Moan over. Okay. But let's see if the food, if it's worth it for the food.
Are you going back again?
Nice.
If the food is
If the food's alright,
are you
I'll
going
come
back?
back. I'll come back.
Next time we try the American Brit.
Yeah, because next time it might not be so busy. I think we've been a bit overwhelmed with people because there was a big line outside.
Because it's Valentine's Day.
Yeah. Now I'm not sure if it's because it's a very popular place or it's popular and it's Valentine's Day. So we'll see. I want to see how yummy the food is. So we'll see in a minute.
Picture up.
Smile, Melissa. We're going home.
Chris is very full.
I'm very full. You can see my belly is very, well, it was very fat anyway, but we'll definitely come here again, guys. The food was gorgeous.
It's
again,
magsaysay, guys.
a little bit disappointed with the service, but I'm just going to put it down to that we're very busy with the, you know, it being Valentine's Day.
I rate the foods 10.
Food's 10, service. No, well, 9, 10, service about 7.
Yeah.
Again, it's been really nice.
Oh, Chris had 2 girls.
Now the other thing is, this is a different setup, guys. We've got mics,
Microphone, yeah.
so you can hear what we're saying.
Ralph. Melissa said she cold. You don't have a jacket?
Yeah.
No, I'm not
Let's have a hug.
okay, I'm very full now.
The camera is what is it? Real
Real 11.
Real Me 11, and the videos are supposed to be a lot clearer. So let us know in the description which one's best, this one or that one. I think you're going to say the camera.
Melissa have a friends here. Say hi, guys.
Hi. Hello.
Subscribe to ano, sir.
Please subscribe to a Brit in the Philippines.
A Brit in the Philippines. Just tell about the there's a nice
Yes, sir.
So
hotel? Hotel or condo? Yeah.
Condominium.
Repeat. Go.
I said that looks like apartments, condominium, whatever. She said, no, it's a
I
hotel.
thought it's hotel.
It's a hotel.
No? Okay. Apologize.
That's all right. Apology accepted.
It's Uma Residences.
Yeah, but it's not.
It's in front, guys, in Avenue Square. The Avenue Square is there.
The actual Avenue Hotel's directly across the road.
Yeah.
So if you want to go to the Avenue Hotel,
that's good. We zoom it.
you've got all these little restaurant places. What we're pointing the camera at. This is where I went when I first arrived in Naga. We got a bucket of San Mig, and this is where I made the decision that I wanted to stay in Naga, and I hadn't even seen the place. pouring down with rain, pitch black, and I said, "This is it." And what, 8.5 years later, something like that, I'm still here. And there's lots of people said, "I'll give him 3 months. No, I'll give him 6. No, I'll give him 12." Well, I've had a bit more. And on the money we're relying on, we've not done too bad, have we, babe?
Yeah. We enjoy the foods, guys. So
And
we,
it's lovely and
recommend the Mark's ribs and sticks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's lovely and warm, guys. Lovely evening. Just beautiful. We've had a wonderful night.
Waiting for.
Yeah. I was getting really worried about Melissa, though, because I definitely thought she was going to eat her own arm.
I thought
I'm so hungry, Kuya.
Melissa will gonna pass away. Ay, pass away, pass out, pass away.
No, don't pass away, Mel. That's not
No, I
good.
mean pass out, not pass away. So bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Can I call you baby? Can you be my friend? Can you be my lover up until the very end? Let me show you love, oh no pretend. Stick by my side even when the world is caving in. Oh, don't you worry, I'll be there whenever you want me. I need somebody who can love in my words. No, I'm not perfect, but I hope you see my worth. 'Cause it's only you, nobody knew I put you first. And for you, boy, I swear I'd do the worst. If you stay forever, let me.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support. If you see you are not on the list, please let us know. Thank you. Aaron, Dr. Filipines, Anthony Neal, Kingsley, Dadlocks, Gladio Atlantian, Zark Alfrey, Romeo Roma Santa, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Gladio Atlantian, Rick's Destination Cebu, Alvar Jitch, Vera Vildi, Scott Slavin, Brett Glazo, Stephen Baxter, Mira D, Brian Dawson, Jim Alvire, Didas Jornales, Paulo Svensson. Big thanks to all of you.